opening, which means that after the market opens you would have seen the LTP around 443 or somewhere else. So the market, what we expected yesterday was that we expected a copper to continue its downtrend, and we also expected there will be some support around 442. So if you can see that after a price opening the market came down and it found some support. You can see this black color candlestick, it found some support here and tried to push down, but it came down along with the trend and it came down till 440.9, around 441 we can say that. Then after taking that it just gave a bounce back and took some resistance around 444, came down and closed near 442.5. See, this type of consolidation and bounce back normally happens in a market when it falls. You can see it is a huge fall. Right from 459 it came down, and after 454 it is a very good fall in copper market. So it is quite often, it is normal for the market to consolidate. So after a fall, because since it is a spike down opening also, so the market had dropped enough, so it took some rest around 442. So today the expected price opening based upon the COMEX price direction, we can say it may be just above 444 or near the zone. So we can say it is near the previous day's high. So if we compare the price opening and closing, since it is spike down opening, we can say it is neutral because the LTP would have been here, and if you see the opening and closing, it was a good consolidation. Now the price is expected to open near the yesterday's high. So till now we have not changed our plans, because our plan was to go for a selling till 152. So till this zone you can go for a selling, that was our expectation. So today, since the price is expected to open around 444, these are the potential zones, 446, 448 and till 452 you can go for selling. And one more thing we want to say, whenever you average, see, it is you are going to average. If we say that go and sell till 452, it means that you are going to average at certain resistance zones. Whenever you average it, try to book profit for the average lot. So it means that if you are taking a sell around 446, 448, 2 lots of sell around 446, 2 lots of sell around 448, and again 2 lots of sell around 452, if the price is dropping to based upon your money management, if the price is dropping 2 points or 3 points, try to book profit for the average lots. That means when you keep on adding those lots, try to book profit whenever there is an opportunity, whenever you get a profit, and leave the market. If it drops down, that is well and fine, leave the market so that you can book profit for the other lots subsequently. So with this, why we are following this strategy is that two things can happen, and that is based upon your trading method, that is your own decision. To be a safe, we advise this, that's all. So if you book profit at regular intervals, when the price drops down, it is well and fine, so you make good profit. But if the price moved completely against you, so it is not possible for any market to show, unless until in certain cases, right from 444 it may not give a single sudden spike to 52 and break everything. So it will stay there and it will drop down. Particularly in copper, you can expect this type of price actions. So whenever you book profit at regular intervals, even if the price reverse against the trend, sometimes it may happen in market, so we need to accept that you will come out with a minimum loss. Once if you get profit, you can maximize your profit, but once the trend has reversed, because it is the market, we should accept the price action that is happening. So once the price trend reverse, when you are completely against the trend, so it gives you an opportunity to minimize your loss. So trading is all about maximizing your profit and minimizing loss. So whenever you average to this extent, please make a note of it. This is what we suggest. That depends upon your risk management and money management technique, which you follow based upon the available fund you have in your trading account. So today also we expect copper to continue selling and the expected zones are 42, since the price is expected one little bit higher, and 36. Let us see what's going to happen during our trading session. Thanks a lot for watching our videos. Happy trading. Take care. Bye.